In this tutorial, we're gonna see how to make a red circle reveal animation inside of Premiere Pro to highlight something or someone. First of all, go to your tools bar and drag the rectangle tool down to reveal the other shapes. Choose the ellipse tool, which is the circle shape, and then drag a circle around this guy's face, for example. In the effect controls, uncheck the fill color as we don't want it, and then add the red stroke color. And you can change the length of the stroke and make it bigger or smaller. I'll simply set it to 10. To add the reveal animation to our circle, go to the effects panel and search for crop. After you dragged it on top of the circle layer, in the effect control, select it. You can see here there are few blue lines that appeared. Simply drag the bottom line up until your circle is not visible anymore, and then hit the stopwatch where it says bottom. Go a few seconds forward and then drag your line down until your circle is visible. Right-click on your keyframes and choose the option Ease In to add smoothness to the animation. Maybe add a sound effect of a marker and time it with the duration of the animation. And at the end it should look something like this. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like on it and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.